Hello, hi. If you're watching this video, we made it on YouTube. My name is Precious Essien and I am a UI UX designer based in Abuja, Nigeria. And this is my first YouTube video. So on this channel, we're going to be talking everything UI UX design, from how to start, where to take courses from, the tips, what to do, everything UI UX design. Is also going to be a mix of lifestyle. There'll be vlogs, a mix of everything, but mainly UI UX design. So let's get right into it. So for this video, we're going to be talking about how to get started in UI UX design. I get a bunch of questions like this on my TikTok from people asking me, oh, where can I learn UI UX design? How do I start? So I'm going to answer all those questions in this video. The first thing you want to do when starting out in UI UX design is do your research, because you don't want to enter or go into something that you know nothing about. So research the industry. What are like your career prospects in this industry? What can you do after learning? How much UI UX designers make? You also want to know, why you're starting, why you want to learn, and your motivation for starting. You also need to research the difference between UI and UX, because they are two different things but work together hand in hand. Because most people just come into UI UX design without knowing the difference between the both of them. So you need to do that. You don't have to have a background in design before you can do UI UX design. All you need to ask yourself is this something that I'm going to grow into liking? Is this something that I'm going to enjoy doing in the long run? The second thing you want to do is to learn a design tool. There are so many design tools out there that designers use to do UI UX design, but the most common one, and I would say the easiest and simplest one for a beginner, is Figma. So Figma allows you to make your design. You can also see your designs, how it will look as a final product. There's a bunch of things that you can do with Figma. So you can start from the basics, but there's no way you want to learn UI UX design without knowing a design tool. The next thing you want to do when starting out in UI UX design is try as much as possible not to start with UX. So start with UI. And I'm saying this because UX is more technical. There's a lot that goes into UX design. So start out with UI design. Learn simple design fundamentals like typography, information architecture, a bunch of these things. In building your basic UI fundamental skills, you can go to Behance, go to Dribble, there is Appshots, you can do even Pinterest. You can go on Pinterest and just look for designs, pick out the one you like and start designing. Like every day, just try as much as you can to like design, recreate people's work. Basically just keep recreating. And this helps because as a starter, you cannot really imagine so far and so wide as a beginner. The next thing you'd want to do after recreating a bunch of designs is to now start thinking of branching out on your own. So you can get a prompt generator and ask it to give you project ideas that you can do as a UI UX designer. I'm going to put down the name of the one that I used. I don't remember. So you can just tell it to give you project ideas that you can work on. Then work on this project. Once you're done building this project from start to finish, send out these designs and get feedback from people. When you get this feedback, you don't want to make changes on the already existing designs that you have done. You can duplicate these designs and make your corrections on the duplicated designs. You can do this for as many times as you want. And this can help you in the sense that when you're done, you can look back at where you started and be like, oh, this is where I started from. This is how it looked. And now this is my progress. This is how far I've gone. So you can see this gradual progression from beginning to where you are now. I hope that makes sense. Make a design, get feedback, duplicate and make changes. So that's basically all you need to know about how to start in UI UX design. I hope it was helpful. I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. If you did, please share this video, like and subscribe. Tell me in the comment section what videos you would like to see concerning UI UX design, and I'll be sure to make that video for you. Anyways, see you in my next video. Bye.